Hello. This tutorial is going to get RTMSD staff ready for our transfer into Google Stream. So we're going to be backing up our H drives into the Google Cloud for us to be able to access next year. These steps will need to be completed before you go home for the summer in 2017. So make sure you get these done before your last day. It also has to be done at school because we need to be connected to the school network to download our material. As a staff member, you are responsible for anything that you have in your H drive, and that's under Staff Homes with your first initial and last name. And I'm going to show you a couple things. First off, it's going to be important that you make sure that your Finder, that you are connected to your staff homes. So you may have to restart your computer to see that your data.rtmsd.org is connected here, and because you will need access to this. Now, it is best to be in Google Chrome when we are working with Google. I want to make sure that I go to Drive, and I can go to Drive through my Google menu right here, the waffle, and I'm going to go to Drive. Now in my Drive, as you see over here, I have a bunch of folders. If you haven't already, I'm going to make sure that I have a folder that is either called Backup, Archive, or some kind of archive. This is a folder where I have, when I open it up, several folders that are different backups of folders that I have made throughout the years. In here, I am going to create a new folder, and I'm going to call this H Drive Archive. And I'm going to put a date on it. When I create the folder here it highlights, and I'm going to double click. So now I'm inside the folder, and I can tell I'm inside by seeing this little breadcrumbs up here. This folder is within that folder, which is within my Drive. And it's right here, it says drop files here. So this is going to be pretty easy. We're going to go now to our Finder, and that brings up this window here, and we're going to locate our H drive. So here I am in Staff Homes, and then EONeil01. If I want to back everything up, I can just click here and then hold down Shift and go all the way to the bottom to select everything. Or I can go here and I can hit Command A to select all. Or if I don't want everything, I just want to make sure a couple things, I want to leave some things behind that I will never have access to again, I'm going to hold down the Command button on the Mac, and when I tap on different folders, that allows me to just pick the items I want. Now you are responsible to back up everything. So I'm going to pick up these folders, and now here I am, I've released Command, and now I'm going to just click on one of the folders and drag right into my Google Drive, and here at the bottom it says drop files instantly to upload them to H drive. So these are these 9 folders. Everything within that will come over. Now it does not happen instantaneously. You'll see, oh, it's uploading 9 files, and here we have 8 minutes, 5 minutes. Google right now is trying to figure out how long it's going to take. Now if you have a lot of files, it might take an hour, 2 hours, depending on the amount of things that you want to back up. You'll notice it probably does drop rather quickly. But you will have to make sure that you are connected inside the school district's network to be able to upload these things. So allow yourself enough time. You'll see the little blue circle going around, and the green check mark shows that it has backed up. This little window gives me access to see the status of everything uploading. And over here on the left, I can double click and do a little spot check to see all these files are in here. To go back to the other file, I can just click right up here and see, okay, classroom stuff, and I have my folders within here. Again, you are responsible for your H drive. If you do need help, please give me a call.